Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you about parts of sentences because I have already sent you parts of sentence through PDF. So I want to teach you about parts of sentence. Listen it. I hope that you will be reading now. Read continually. Parts of sentence. Sentence के भाग. Every sentence has two parts. Every sentence has two parts. Has two parts. First, subject and second, predicate. First, subject and second, predicate. Subject means student उद्देश्य. Subject means उद्देश्य या कर्ता. Second, predicate. Predicate means विधेय. There are two parts of sentence. First, subject and the second, predicate. Now we see about subject. Subject. Now we see about subject. That about which we speak is called a subject. Listen it. That about जिसके बारे में which we speak is called जो हम बोलते हैं is called the subject. वह क्या कहलाता है? Subject कहलाता है. And what और जो is said about subject और जो subject के बारे में कहा जाता है, कहा गया है, वह is called the predicate. वही क्या कहलाता है? Predicate कहलाता है. I repeat again. Listen carefully. This subject वह subject that about जिसके बारे में which we speak जो हम बोलते हैं, which we speak जो हम बोलते हैं is called the subject. वह सब्जेक्ट कहलाता है. एंड व्हाट इज और जो इज सेड अबाउट सब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कहा गया है या सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कहा जाता है इज कॉल्ड द प्रेडिकेट. उसे प्रेडिकेट कहते हैं. सो एवरी सेंटेंस हैज टू पार्ट सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. नाउ वी सी अबाउट एग्जांपल. Ravi eats an apple. Ravi eats an apple. Ravi एक सेब खाता है. In this sentence, Ravi is subject. In this sentence, Ravi is as a subject. It's an apple is predicate. It's an apple is object. It's an apple. These are words are indicated as a predicate. Subject उद्देश्य और predicate विधेय. Subject may be noun or pronoun. Subject may be noun or pronoun. Subject noun अथवा प्रोनाउन हो सकता है. नाउन अथवा प्रोनाउन. We see about example. First, he plays cricket match क्रिकेट मैच. वह क्रिकेट मैच खेलता है. He is as a pronoun is called a subject. Is called a subject. Subject may be noun or pronoun. He indicates as a pronoun. Next example. Shyam goes to school today. श्याम goes to school today. श्याम आज स्कूल जाता है. श्याम is as a subject. श्याम indicates as a noun. So we can say that subject may be noun or pronoun. Clear? Now we see about some qualities, qualifying words of subject. Qualifying words means विशेषता प्रकट करने वाले शब्द. Now we see about qualifying words. For example, note in your copy. A poor man has stolen the watch. Next example, the clever student topped the class. Third example, these beautiful girls are planting. There are 3 examples about qualifying words in a sentence. Listen it and understand it. In the above sentences, a poor, the clever, the beautiful. Words are used before subject. Man is as subject, student is as subject, girl is as subject. इससे बिफोर क्वालिफाइंग वर्ड पुअर क्या है? गरीब. क्वालिफाइंग है. मैन की क्वालिफाई क्या है? पुअर. स्टूडेंट की क्वालिफाई वर्ड क्या है? क्लेवर. और गर्ल का क्वालिफाइंग वर्ड क्या है? ब्यूटीफुल. poor, clever, beautiful words are used before subject. These words are called as qualifying words. Clear? Now we see about head words. Man, student, girls. These words are indicated head word. Head word means मुख्य शब्द. Now we see about the breakaway. Poor man has stolen the watch. एक गरीब व्यक्ति घड़ी को चुरा चुका है. The clever student top the class. Clever student चतुर विद्यार्थी क्लास को टॉप किया. These beautiful girls are planting. ये ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल्स प्लांटिंग कर रही हैं. पौधा रोपण कर रही हैं, पौधे लगा रही हैं. Now we see about some determiner words. Qualified, note in your copy. Qualified words are also made of two types. First, determiner. Second, adjective. Qualified words are also made of two types. Qualified जो शब्द है ये दो प्रकार के होते हैं, दो प्रकार से बनते हैं. दो प्रकार के होते हैं. फर्स्ट, डिटरमिनर. डिटरमिनर मीन्स निश्चितता प्रकट करने वाले शब्द होते हैं, निश्चित शब्द को इंडिकेट करते हैं. सेकेंड, एडजेक्टिव. विशेषण जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन की विशेषता को एक्सप्रेस करता है वही क्या है? एडजेक्टिव है. Now we come to know about determiner words. Note in your copy. Determiner words and the, some, few, these, those, first, second, 100, etc. Words are indicate determiner words. These are called as determiner words. Now we see about some determiner words. Generally, 4 types of words are called determiner words. First, article. Second, demonstrative, third possessive form, possessive form, and fourth limiting adjective. Dear friend, generally four types of words are called determiners. First, article, second, demonstrative, third, possessive form, fourth, limiting adjective. Article means A and B. There are two type of article, definite article and indefinite article. Second, demonstrative. Demonstrative means होता है संकेत, संकेत, this, that, these, those. These words are called demonstrative words. This, that, these, those. This, यह, these, ये, that, वह, those, वे are called demonstrative words. Next, we come to know about possessive form. Possessive, possessive, अपनत्व, संबंध. My, our, his, Ram's, etc. These words are indicate possessive form. These words are indicate possessive form. Now we come to know about four limiting adjective. सीमित विशेषण. Limiting adjective means सीमित विशेषण. इसका क्या लिमिटेशन है? सीमित है. पर some, all, many, few, little. etc. These words are indicate limiting adjective. सब, कुछ, all, सभी, many, बहुत, few, कुछ, little, कुछ. These words are called limiting adjective. An adjective always comes between determiner and head word. Determiner and head word. Now we see about some examples through subject and predicate. We see a table, subject, predicate. Qualifier. qualifier head word determiners adjective noun and verb poor man is coming next these beautiful girls are singing for my younger brother laughs for many black dogs bark. Now we see about a chart subject and predicate qualifier head word. Now we see about subject and predicate. There are some words are under determiner, adjective, noun, verb. These words are under subject and predicate. A poor man is coming. A poor man is coming. A determiner word निश्चित वाले शब्द पुअर गरीब बेचारा एडजेक्टिव विशेषण मैन नाउन इज कमिंग वर्ब. सेकंड एग्जांपल दीज ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल्स आर सिंगिंग. ये ब्यूटीफुल ये सुंदर लड़कियां आर सिंगिंग गा रही. दीज वर्ड आर इंडिकेटेड डिटरमिनर. Beautiful word is indicate adjective. Girl word is indicated head word. Are singing indicated verb. Third example my younger brother laugh. मेरा younger छोटा भाई laugh हंसता है. तो my क्या है डिटरमिनर वर्ड. younger क्या है adjective. brother head word. Last verb. Fourth example we see many black dogs bark. Many black dogs bark. बहुत से black जो कुत्ते हैं क्या करते हैं भौंकते हैं bark करते हैं. तो many word determiner, black word adjective, dog word indicate noun, bark word indicated verb. Many black dogs bark. बहुत से ब्लैक कुत्ते भौंकते हैं. Now we see about some word which are under subject for it and their. Neutral it and introductory there. Now we see neutral it and introductory there. It and there. What are under subject? It. For example, it is raining. Second, there lived a king. Now we see our example. It is raining. वर्षा हो रही है. समय, मौसम, समय, टाइम, मौसम, वेदर, डेट एंड डे, दिन और दिनांक. जो ये सब्जेक्ट के रूप में हम क्या करते हैं, न्यूट्रल इट का यूज करते हैं. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. देयर, इंट्रोडक्टरी देयर, जहां पर सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब दोनों आपस में कॉन्टेक्ट दोनों का रिलेशन होता है, एक कॉन्टेक्ट होता है, वहां पर हम इंट्रोडक्टरी देयर का यूज करते हैं. देयर लिव्ड अ किंग, राजा, एक राजा रहता था. इट इज राइट, वर्षा हो रही है. देयर लिव्ड अ किंग, एक राजा रहता था. नाउ वी सी द प्रेडिकेट में हैड अ वर्ब एंड अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. प्रेडिकेट जो वर्ड है वह एक वर्ब और एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट उनके पास हो सकता है. वर्ब एंड ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. नाउ वी सी अबाउट एग्जांपल. सब्जेक्ट, प्रेडिकेट. I am a teacher. Mohan is the head of the village. Now we see about example. Subject and predicate. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. मैं एक टीचर, मैं एक अध्यापक हूँ. I indicate as subject. I am a teacher. एक अध्यापक हूँ. These words are under predicate. These words are under predicate. Second example. Mohan is the head of the village. मोहन विलेज का हेड है, मुखिया. मोहन क्या है? इज द हेड ऑफ द विलेज, गांव का हेड है, मुखिया. मोहन इज एज ए सब्जेक्ट, इज द हेड ऑफ द विलेज. वर्ड आर इंडिकेटेड प्रेडिकेट. Dear students, I hope that you are understanding about parts of sentence. Complete your copy. Thank you.